Hi, my name is Jean-Remy Bonnefoy. I'm a system engineer with Samtec. I'm here at the Xilinx Developer Forum in San Jose, showing the Flyover solution. Xilinx GTM transceivers are generating QPRBS31 test patterns at 56 gigabit per second PAM4. The signals are going through our ARX6 SI Characterization board through our connector set via about 10 inches of our ultra-low skew Twinax cable to our FQSFP double density modules. From there, they're going through a paddle cards, another set of RF cables, and back to the Xilinx receivers. We are using Xilinx GUI to set the emphasis settings as well as collect the margin data such as eye diagrams, patterns, histograms, and signal to noise ratio. Through this about 10 inches of ultra-low skew Twinax, we are looking at 1E-13 bit error rate. A Samtec Flyover solution provides advantages in cost and performance by removing the need for retimers by placing the ARC6 connector really close to the chip. It's allowing the designer to reduce the size of the PCB that needs to be made out of exotic and expensive materials. It helps with thermal performance, and it all possible with a high-speed ultra-low skew Twinax cable. For more information about our Flyover solutions, visit our website www.samtec.com. And for additional information, you can email sig@samtec.com, where they'll provide you models and performance data on our solutions.